Hey everyone, are you ready for an adventure? We're going to explore an amazing place called the Valdivian Rainforest. It's like stepping into a magical world. This rainforest is in Chile and Argentina in South America. Imagine super tall trees, way over 100 feet high. And get this, you can find tiny deer there called pudas. They're the smallest deer in the whole world. And if that's not cool enough, there are even plants that eat meat. This rainforest is super old, like a living museum from way back in time. So get ready to explore. Let's discover the Valdivian Rainforest together.